Hello guys, it's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of creating an Instagram account on your iPhone. If you are new to Instagram and looking to set up a new account, then watch this video till the end. Firstly, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, head to the App Store to download it. Once the app is installed, tap the Instagram icon on your home screen to open the app. Now as you can see, I already have a few Instagram accounts, but for this tutorial I'll be creating a new Instagram account. So to create a new account, tap on create new account in the bottom of your screen. Now you will have to enter your full name, so let me enter my name. Now tap on next. Now you will have to create a password for your Instagram account. Make sure you make a strong password by using letters, numbers and characters. So let me create my password for my Instagram account. Now tap on next. Now you can save your login info so that you don't have to keep on typing in your password every time you log in. So just tap on save. Now select your birth date and tap on next. Now you will have to create a username for your Instagram account. As you can see, Instagram has already given me a suggestion for my Instagram username, but I would like to change that. So for that, simply tap on username, erase the name and simply type in the username that you would like to. For example, let me insert my username. This username is not available, so let me try to change my username. So this username is available. Now simply tap on next. Now you will have to enter your mobile number, but you can also see there is an option for sign up with email. For this tutorial I'll be using my email, so I'll tap on sign up with email. Now type in your email ID. After you are done, tap on next. In order to verify your email, Instagram will send you a verification code on your email, so open the Gmail app to see the code. Now that I have read the code, I'll go back to my Instagram and insert the code. Now tap on next. Now tap on I agree to Instagram's terms and policies. And therefore your new Instagram account has been created. That's it for our step-by-step tutorial on creating an Instagram account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.